Now let's take a L, roll the window down. 'Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time.
Hey guys, so it's currently 2:52 a.m. on November 11th, and I cannot wait to get my room done. My room now is just so dusty and crusty. I'm redoing my room out at my dad's house. I am currently working on my bed because like that's the main attraction of my room, of course, of all rooms. I have this white bed that I used to have, and it's like not my style anymore. It's actually from my room from my mom's house, and I'm taking it apart and I'm gonna put wood over it. Right now I'm taking off the white fabric on the headboard of my bed and I'm gonna put wood on it, but right now I'm only taking off the white part because I don't have the wood yet. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So before I show me like taking apart my headboard, I'm gonna show you guys what my old bed looks like. It's really messy right now, but I'm just gonna show you guys so you know what I mean when I say I need a new bed. This is my current bed in my dad's house. It is bright red and it's a twin size bed, and it just ain't it. It has like a little cool little pull-out bed. I just had to show you guys a little before. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing this video and I lost the footage to me taking apart the headboard, but this is an example of how would it look like, and I took it apart, and the next clip you'll see is me the next day with the headboard. Hey guys, so right now we're gonna do the headboard to my bed, and I have the wood, some of the wood right here. We're gonna be cutting it and then staining it. Don't mind my hands. Staining the wood and then putting it on this headboard right here.
You just hit my computer.
Alright, so right now we're cutting the wood for my headboard.
Wait, I have a respirator.
What is it?
For dust.
Hello. I look like an idiot. Hello. See me? Now you see me, now you don't? Hello. Okay, anyways. Right now, we have this masterpiece. Isn't she a cutie? Look at her. Hey guys, so after 2 hours, I finally finished my headboard. Well, I didn't finish it, but I finished like stained all of this wood. And it's gonna be like my headboard, but I need to put it on top of like the other part. I sat here and like stained every single piece of wood with this wood stains. A bunch of these wood stains. I had like three of them that I used, and stained all this. So yeah, that's how it turned out. Hey guys, so I just spent like 2 hours painting half of my room, and all the footage got erased, so we love that. I'm painting my room white, and it's originally this light blue color, and I painted this wall and this wall. I still have this wall and this wall over here to do, so I'll record that and hopefully you guys can actually see me painting it. I got my box braids and uploaded that video, but I'm moving around some furniture and thought I would just vlog that real quick. I already moved this piece of furniture right here. It is an old dresser of mine. I had a bunch of these cute little rhinestones laying around, so I thought I would put them on these knobs because they fell off and it kind of looked like the ones they had before. It's gonna be hard for me to pull them off because I literally hot glued them on with this like 30 minutes ago, and then I moved that piece over to the corner of my wall here, and then I'm gonna have my bed here. Oh, by the way, I literally forgot to update. I finished painting my room. I took off all the tape and stuff. Yesterday I painted the sides of, I took out my closet doors. They're outside. Those closet doors right there. And I painted all of this white, it used to be light blue, and all of that up there, and then this side. But right now I'm going to be moving my desk area because I just moved this, and yeah. But yeah, that's it for tonight. I'm just gonna go to sleep now, and tomorrow's my first day of school from break. We had a week off, and like I don't want to go back, but it's fine. I'll see you guys when I do my bed because my bed is almost done and I'm so excited.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the chat. Welcome back, Logan Pullers. Big Pullers.
Okay.
Hey guys, so it's November 30th, and right now I have my friends over, Lauren.
You
and
know
Mara.
me.
And right now we're disassembling my bed, my old bed, so we can put in my new bed. This is us doing that. Okay, go ahead.
We're using this thing.
Ew, this is not a tutorial.
Look how empty my room looks, guys. And then there's Lauren. Right now I'm gonna vacuum my room because it's really dirty and it's disgusting.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's alright, slick head.
Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I filmed this video. The last time I filmed for my room was 4 days ago. I went to Target and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got for my room because I got a lot of stuff. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I got is this little Christmas tree and like, it's so cute. When I saw it, I was like, this thing I got is this huge white comforter. I really just wanted like a simple like white comforter because that's what my room is going to be. Like, it's just gonna be simple. The next thing I got is this t-shirt soft full sheet set for my bed. These are the most comfortable sheets ever because they're made out of like 50% cotton, 50% polyester. I got this same one for my twin size bed, but it obviously can't fit my bed now because I have a full size bed now. The next thing I got is this body pillow so I can snuggle with this because I don't have a boyfriend. And then to go along with that, I just got a body pillow case, like this graphic design
pillowcase and then this gray one. And the next thing I got is actually for my friend, so I'm probably gonna block this out somehow. But yeah, we're doing a Secret Santa, so I got her a little gift. And then the last things I got was just a tripod and an SD card, but I'm using them right now, so I'll just show you the clip I took before I opened it. Next store I went to is Dollar Tree. The first thing I got is wrapping paper for the present I got for my friend, and maybe for some future gifts that I'm getting for family members or something like that. Then I just got these bows because a present is not complete without a bow. And then the next things I got are 4 things of lights. And lastly, I got a bunch of like plants. I wanted to get fake vine leaves to like hang around my room, but I couldn't find those, so your girl had to improvise, and I got a bunch of these. I got like some pine leaves too because it's nearing the Christmas season and I want to decorate for Christmas. So yeah, I'm just gonna set all this stuff up in my room now. So first I'm going to put my sheet on my bed and my comforter.
Missing someone.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
1, 2, 3, funky.
And because I'm actually 5. And Olaf. Look at it just living its best life. Alright, so I found these really cute nightstands that I had from like a long time ago, and I'm probably gonna put them next to my bed now because they're just really cute and they match pretty well with my room. Also, I have this body length mirror, and I'm just gonna be cleaning them off because they're really dirty, and yeah, I'll just be doing that. I'm just gonna see how that looks like next to my bed because I'm not sure if I want them there or not. Okay, so in this corner of my room, it's like near my closet. I'm gonna set up a couple of things here. Little fun fact about this guitar is I literally don't know how to play it. I've had it for forever now, and it was in my brother's room, so I just took it because I thought it would be cool with my room. And also I bent it. It's really bad. Look at that. It's like literally bent right there because I hit it one time. I literally don't know how to play the guitar, and I'm going to teach myself because I feel like an idiot having a guitar in my room and not knowing how to play it.
All around me are familiar faces.
Okay, so I have all these fake plants that I got from the dollar store that I showed you guys earlier. I'm gonna hang them like on my headboard. So what I'm gonna do is basically take them, I'm gonna cut off the tag real quick. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just rip them off. So I like ripped them off of their fake stem, and I'm gonna do that for all of them right now. I just cut all of the stems off of these, and then I also had these berry looking things and pine cone that I especially got because it's Christmas season. So now I'm going to just punch a hole and wherever I can find in the leaves and the berries and pine cones. And then I'm gonna just take this yarn that I have and put it through the holes, and I'll have like this nice like garland of like fake leaves and berries and pine cones like across my headboard. Okay, so I finally finished punching all the holes into these leaf things like 30 minutes later. But right now I'm just gonna string through all of the fake plants and stuff through this yarn string. Okay, it's been 30 minutes again and I'm finally done with this masterpiece, but this took me forever and now I finally get to hang it onto my headboard.
Yo.
I have far.
Hey guys, so the camera turned off while I was trying to do the leaves on my bed, but I did it already, and I put lights on the leaves too, and I also set up my little mini Christmas trees. So my room is officially done. I'm gonna do a separate like room tour video soon, but like right now this is just how my room looks. This is how it looks and I'm so excited to show you guys. All right, let's go. All right, so when you first walk in, there's my desk. I'm not gonna explain everything in depth because I'm gonna do a room tour, but here's my desk. And over here is my dresser, and I tried to hot glue the knobs on, but some of them fell off. I'm gonna like do that over. I just put the rest of the leaves I had in this little plant thing. I'm just gonna put that there for right now. And then I have my jewelry box right here. Then I have my other jewelry things. And then over here is my nightstand, and then my bed. This is how it looks. I love it so much. I finally finished doing this leaf thing and the lights with it. And I put a little Christmas hat on Olaf, and I thought that was a cute little touch. And then my little mini Christmas tree is right here. And I just have this extension cord going on the back of that. And then over here, I have my guitar. And then I have this full body mirror. I really wanted it bigger, but this will do for now. And there's just random sticker on it. And then my closet, it's really messy right now, so we're not gonna go there.
Okay guys, but that is all for my room makeover. I'm so glad this is finally over. This took me over like 3 weeks. Let me know if you guys want like a Christmas room tour, because my room's obviously not gonna look like this throughout the whole entire year. So I might do a Christmas room tour and then like later on do a normal room tour. Let me know if you guys want that by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You will not regret it, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!